Hello, I'm Nadiya Nazri from HiCom of Malaysia in Nairobi. So today we are having the ASEAN Food Festival. This is the third time we are organizing this ASEAN Food Festival in Nairobi, Kenya. And this year it's organized by our friend country Indonesia. Last year we are hosting Malaysia. So next year will be another event, and this will be an annually event held in Nairobi, Kenya. So what we have here as Malaysia, we have our main dishes, which is nasi lemak, and with all the condiments, and also we have the beef rendang, and also we have the fried chicken, and we have this squid sambal. We also have a lot of what we call it kueh or dessert. Very sweet kueh, a lot of kueh and variety kueh such as suri muka, and then we have kari pap daging, and then we have kari pap ayam, and a lot of dishes in our stall. We thank to our partner Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and also Philippines for joining this AFF 2006, and we hope to see you another year and because this is annual event held in Nairobi, Kenya. We also want to thank Village Market for giving us the opportunity in organizing this AFF 2026. Thank you.